So sometimes I don't want to use eggs. It could be that I'm short on eggs. It could be that I don't feel like eating an egg for the day. I don't have egg allergies that I know of, but I know some people who may be watching might. So with that being said, one of the successful techniques that I have tried is to make eggless chia seeds as a substitute for some of the recipes that I make. One of my favorites to do that for are pancakes, and they turn out to be absolutely delicious. If you're interested in seeing the video that has the eggless pancakes that still turn out to be light and fluffy and they don't have buttermilk, please check out the other video on my channel. So here what I'm going to do is, in order to make one egg using the chia seed as a substitute, what I'm going to do is use these chia seeds. So if I can find the organic ones, that's typically what I buy. And in this case, what we would do is measure out 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So that's what I'm doing. And that's about 3 tablespoons. Now, that's because I want to make 3 eggs. The way it works is if you only want 1 egg, just use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The second thing is my family drinks distilled water, so that's what I use, and I use that with cooking as well. So, with that being said, I'm going to point out the fact that for every 1 egg, you're going to use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 3 tablespoons of water. So I'm just going to measure out 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do this 2 more times because I'm trying to make 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. And 1 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then I'm going to just take my fork and I'm just going to begin to work it like this. And what'll happen is after a while it should become gelatinous like an egg, and you'll see that take place. And it doesn't take long for that to happen. The first time I tried this, I was amazed at the results. And one way that I can start to see the gel forming is when the chia seeds start to move below the water that's been added. The more you stir, or the more you let this sit, the more gelatinous it becomes. And so you can see that consistency. Just want to let you see what that's going to look like and why it's a great substitute for an egg. What I have found is that if it's too stiff, I have gone in and added added water into it. And look at that. And the more I stir it, the more gelatinous it becomes. So that's how you can make an egg substitute. Remember, for every 1 egg you want to substitute, you need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 3 tablespoons of water. And after a while, you'll get this type of consistency. Okay. Thanks for watching.